I emphasize again that if you transfer anything, whether it's coins or dollars and so on, make sure the address is correct, the network is correct, and the amount is correct. That's it. So, 3 main points in this transfer process. Okay. Hi! So welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will show how to transfer dollars in the Binance app. Okay. So here we will transfer our dollars to someone else's wallet or our wallet in another app and so on. The point is, we will transfer USDT from the Binance app. Okay. First, we put our dollars into the spot wallet. Then we click on our dollars. Now, then here there is a withdrawal menu at the bottom right corner. We click and send through the crypto network. Okay, here there is an address, network, amount, and send from. Here we can choose from the spot wallet and the funding wallet. I prefer using the spot wallet earlier. Okay, then what we need to pay attention to here is the address and also the network. We also need to pay attention to the amount. Okay, so the address. I have prepared the address here. Okay, then we copy and paste this address. After we copy and paste, we copy, we paste, we double check if this address is correct. Because if we get the address wrong, our balance will be lost, because it might go to someone else's address or get stuck and not go anywhere. Okay, then in the network there is BNB Smart Chain, BEP20, AVAX, BEP2, ERC20, Polygon, Solana, Tezos, and TRC. Okay, I need to emphasize that if we want to transfer USDT, we usually use TRC20. We use the Tron network. The fee is around $0.8, or currently about 12,463, and the estimated transaction time is about 5 minutes. Okay, we choose TRC20. Okay, then, before that, we make sure that the address we are using is a TRC20 address. The way to do it is we click Deposit to make the TRC20 address. Well, we just copy this address like that. Then we go back in. We copy the address again. We choose the Tron network again, TRC20, and here I want to transfer $48. If earlier there was a fee of 0.8, then we add $0.8 to make it exactly $48, like that. Then we check again if everything is correct. The address is correct, the network is correct, the amount is correct, and we click Withdraw. You will receive 8 United States dollars, or approximately 747,000. We check our address again and check the network again. Because if we copy the deposit address on the BEP20 network, but send it via TRC20, then our balance will definitely be lost, like that. Okay, if it's correct, we click Confirm. We look for the authentication code in the authenticator. Okay. It seems I forgot to name my Binance. Correct. 67345344667. Get the SMS verification code. Okay, type again 300-502. SMS verification code 990910. Okay, send it when ready. Withdrawal processing. Let's look at the history. Here, there's an estimated completion time around 9:18:51 p.m. Oh, it should have been finished by now. Let's check the history first. Still processing. Let's refresh, just refresh. Okay, it's already processing. Patience. If the address is correct, the network is correct, then don't panic, because many people panic first when doing withdrawals, deposits, transfers, and so on in the middle of the process. Even though, well, the system also needs time, whether it's 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So, if we've made sure everything is correct, then just relax. Even if the transaction fails or something else, if everything is correct but it doesn't go through, we can report it to the customer service of the exchanger, like Binance. Okay, still processing. Let's wait a bit. Here we can also see our history. With a time span of 12 months. Let me try. I forgot until 2020. Let me try. Confirm. All. Wow. Withdrawal of $10, $48.74, 0.1 BNB. Oh, 0.1 BNB yesterday was 800,000. $75, 31, 22. Quite a lot in 1 month before, 1 year from 2019 to 2022. Okay, still processing 7861 here. Confirmation, still processing. Be patient. Okay, done. After that, please check in your wallet the address you are targeting. Here there is a TXID, or, like a transaction receipt. We can see this, so if anything happens, we can send our transaction ID. So it's safe if there's any mischief or anything else. For example, if we send it to someone but they don't admit it, we can send the transaction ID. Or if there's a system error, we can send the transaction ID like that. So, thanks for watching my video. I hope it's useful. I emphasize again that if you transfer anything, whether it's coins or dollars and so on, make sure the address is correct, the network is correct, and the amount is correct. That's it. So the 3 main points in this transfer process are those 3. So thanks for watching. Hope it's useful. See you in the next video, and bye.